Yes guys, welcome back. Here is the next part of Turbo's project. So we've already done a few things already to his Mark 6 Golf 1.4 TSI. Now he's saved up a little bit of money now after him working and whatever stuff, and he wants to get his exhaust system done. But before that, there was other things that we had done. So if you haven't watched the videos that we've seen or showed you before, there's a couple of videos on there. Let's just do a little recap of what it was. So one of them was what your headlights you had done.
Had Xenons done.
So what Xenons you got? Where'd you get them from?
From eBay.
So Xenons from eBay we've had done. We've had these number plates, G1 Atif. Obviously that's his private registration. Big up to AZ personal plates. That's who's done it. We've got crystal backing with 3D front. Not too bad. And then what else? We had something to do with wheels. Well, obviously wheels have been changed, which we mentioned before. We've got Go-Far wheels. Check them out. We've got Go-Far wheels right here, 18-inch. It seems a bit low to me. That's something that you've done as well, isn't it, Turbo?
Yeah, I've done 40 mil all around.
40 mil. Where you get the springs from?
eBay as well.
eBay, job done, not so bad. Running down the car, then we've got these tints that he's had done as well, which is in the previous video, but unfortunately we didn't have a video made for that. So it was Sharky from Sparkhill, yeah?
Sparkhill, yeah.
Sharky from Sparkhill's that done his tints. Not a bad job. Obviously the guy is pretty good anyway. He's well established. So from Birmingham, Sharky Tints, he's your man if you want the tints sorted out. So he's had his tints done, he's had it lowered, he's got some wheels on. And the other thing that he's had done on the rear are these, what are they, R lights or GTI?
You can say R, they're GTI lights.
So GTI lights. Now there is a video up of that, how these lights come out, how they get fitted back in. They're retrofitted as well, so they don't need to any sort of adjustment. That's pretty easy that we had done. Also, one of the other things that we've done was the stereo and the steering wheel. We checked the stereo out and we checked the steering wheel out. The steering wheel is just a normal stock steering wheel. It didn't have no multi-functions on there that he can be doing with cruise control and stuff like that. So we actually changed the steering wheel and we changed, I think it was the module as well.
Yeah, steering module.
We stuck a new module in there which goes underneath the steering wheel. I don't know, I don't think there's a video of the module getting installed or the steering wheel, but if you guys want to know how that's done, just give me a shout out at the bottom or just message us and we'll see what we got. So his steering's done, his stereo's done. There's a few videos up on there, so if you haven't seen them, please check it out. Go check, see what's up on there. I think the subwoofer. Oh yeah, we've got a subwoofer in here as well. Check that subwoofer. Just gonna get that out. Put it across. We got a JL Audio subwoofer and we got a pile amp right there as well. Obviously Turbo loves his bass, so we've had that installed for him. But that is up on there, a step-by-step process. If you want to retrofit an amplifier or a subwoofer in your car. So next then is what we're doing?
Getting an exhaust upgrade.
Getting an exhaust upgrade, yeah. What we haven't done then?
Getting the back box delete and a res delete, just to give it that bit more of a raw.
Right. So I think in one of the last videos when they were doing the drag race between AZ and whatever, pause. So before between AZ and when they were doing the drag race, basically in that AZ's had a res delete done. It gives a little bit of a pop and a bit of a crackle and stuff, not too much. But my man Turbo here wants to get it a lot louder, right? He wants to get the back box taken out and he wants to delete the res as well. So we've got a few of pops, so probably a few pops and bangs, but we have been advised from a few people to say, if you want to hear more popping and banging from a 1.4 TSI, you have to get it remapped, obviously to push more fuel into the system. But we have also been told that it's not safe or something.
It's not really good for the engine. For these particular engines, it's not really good for this particular one.
So there is some guys out there on YouTube that have had that done. But it's up to you really. I don't think Turbo is going to be doing that because we still need his car to last him. So all we're going to get done is the back box and the res delete, and then we're going to check it out. But for now we'll show you guys what it sounds like stock, so see what's coming. Later on also will be coming what it sounds like at the exhaust place. We'll reveal it a bit later on in the video, so make sure you keep watching to the end and see what Turbo has got happening to his car. But for now, let's see what's going to be happening with his car. We'll just give it a few revs and stuff, see what it sounds like stock, so you know what it sounds like before and then after as well. Peace. Just start the car up. So guys, here we have it. This is how the exhaust sounds as stock. So it is a twin That's basically it. That's how the exhaust sounds after. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that video. If you do have any questions, you want to know where these places are, any questions about res delete or back box delete, give us a shout or stick a comment in below. But like I says, something Turbo wanted to do. I'm sure, are you happy with that now?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so what we got happening next?
Probably a spoiler and a diffuser.
Okay, spoiler and diffuser, but probably before that we'll be doing some painting.
Oh yeah, calipers.
Yeah, so
Get my
maybe
calipers done.
we'll be putting a little quick video up on there about doing calipers. We're not too sure of the color, but if you guys out there watching, stick in the comment, what color do you think? It's a white car, we got diamond cut alloy wheels with black inserts. What color do you think we should be doing the calipers? Stick in the comment below and then we'll take it from there. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Please share the channel, subscribe if you watch. We've hit like 1.8 to 2k views already on one of our videos. We're at about 206 or 210 subscribers. So